Here comes this young gorilla. He starts leaving that area, and then there's a bigger gorilla right behind him. Okay, he's just waiting for him to, I don't know what he's waiting, probably waiting for him to leave. So younger girl starts gathering all his food for him. It looks like it's lettuce. He's gathering it. Then he leaves. Then the bigger gorilla comes inside. Okay. So then he uses that drum again as a table. And he's got a big clump of food there, and there's a bunch of celery. Look at him chow down this celery. He just loves it. Just chowing that down like no tomorrow. I don't know where he got this big. It's got celery in there, and there's also grass. He's going to eat the celery first. Okay. Just eating and looking at the zookeeper, seems there's going to be more food coming his way. So he's just sitting there using that drum, at top of the drum as a table. So smart. They know how to use things. Okay, so he's almost done with the celery. Oh, he just stuffs it in him like. Maybe you put some peanut butter on there. I wonder what if he liked that or not. There he goes. He stuffs that one in his mouth. Okay. Well, taking some time to eat this one. I don't know. That's enough, maybe. That's enough of celery, he's thinking. I'm going to go, you start eating the grass. Okay, he uses his other hand and then, okay. And he puts it on, he rests his elbow now, both elbows on the table. It reminds me of my mom saying, keep your elbows off the table. Oh. I'm not going to say it to him. He can have his elbows on that table all he wants. Look at him eating this grass. He just kind of stuffs it. Got two hands full of grass. You know. Just stuff himself with it, twigs and all. There he is.